Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a question a lot of people ask. Can you download a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick in 2025? Whether you want to access shows from another country, protect your privacy, or secure your connection. A VPN is a great tool, but setting it up on a Fire Stick is a little different than on a phone or computer. Not every VPN works with Fire TV, so the first step is picking one that's compatible. Some of the top options in 2025 include NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, and VPN. These apps are tested to work smoothly on Fire TV devices, including the Fire TV Stick, Fire TV Stick 4K, and Fire TV Cube. Once you've chosen your VPN, you have three main ways to set it up. First, the simplest method is through the Amazon App Store. Just search for your VPN, download it, log in, and connect. Second, if the VPN isn't in the store, you can use an APK installer. That requires enabling developer mode, using the downloader app, and entering the APK URL to install it manually. Finally, you can also set up a VPN on your router, which will protect every device connected to that network, including your Fire Stick. After installation, you can check if your VPN is working by opening a browser on your Fire Stick and visiting a site like whatismyip.com. If your IP address is different from your real one, you're connected. And don't forget to keep your VPN updated for the best performance and security. Using a VPN on your Fire TV stick in 2025 keeps your streaming private, bypasses regional restrictions, and protects your connection on public networks. So yes, you absolutely can download a VPN, and it's easier than you might think once you know the steps. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more tips on streaming and digital security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.